I almost just crashed. What is up, guys? Southwest MX here. There we go. And today we're going to be riding the pit bike. It's been a while since we've hopped on this thing and rode it. But we're going to be getting back on it. See if we can pull some good wheelies. Little dog right there. I don't know whose dog that is, but I've recently created an Instagram and I've grown it to pretty close to 600 followers in like a week. I've had tons of people commenting and interacting with me. Also, shout out to Country Boy 4x4. He gave me a shout out on his Instagram. And also a shout out to, I think it's C something. Anyways, he created a pretty sweet intro for me for YouTube. Pretty cool. So that was really cool that you guys are supporting me. Yeah, it's cool how you guys are supporting me. Yeah, go ahead and hop on over there and give that a follow, though. Go through this water. It rained a little bit this week. But yeah, give my Instagram a follow. I'll be posting updates, pictures, probably when videos come out. Also, I've gained like 20 subscribers this week, which is insane for a channel my size. I was at 20 when the week started, or 21, and now I'm at 39. So that's really awesome, guys. But yeah, drop comments on Instagram, DM me on Instagram, or drop comments on my YouTube videos, because I'm going to be doing a Q&A, like a New Year's Eve Q&A, and also do like a New Year's resolution for YouTube and stuff. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool. But it feels good to get back out on the pit bike. This thing rips. Running good. We're gonna go try to pull some wheelies. Dang, that was pretty good. That was 2 feet. Turn it around and see if we can get another one like that. They're getting better, that's for sure. But I did another Pitbike Adventures last week, but I was having issues downloading the footage, and the weather's a lot nicer right now than it was last week. It's like 60, and last week it was like 40. That's just the Texas weather for you guys. But yeah, it's showing that on Christmas it's gonna be like 60 degrees, which is pretty wild. We've got this week of school, this next week of school. Today's a Saturday. We got this next week of school, going all the way. We got a half a day Thursday, and then we're out for a 2-week Christmas break, so that's pretty awesome. yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Hopefully the new subscribers enjoy this type of stuff. But I sure am having fun making it, so nonetheless, it's a win-win. See if we can pull a wheelie. I'm trying to practice with my 2-footers, instead of taking my feet off the pegs, since I have bigger handlebars now. That was a pretty good one right there. Getting better for sure. Oh shoot. I almost just crashed right there, guys. I almost crashed. I lost control. But yeah, guys, almost lost control of that wheelie right there. And it is basketball season, and I do not need to be getting hurt pulling wheelies, but that's why I'm only doing the wheelies on the smaller bike. Speaking of basketball, we played yesterday against Early, and we caught a dub, 30-25. We were down by 1 going in a half, and then we came back, and we were down by 1 going in the third. We came back and won. I had a nice 3 from the corner. I'm a 3-point shooter. We lost to Kameshi the week before by 1 point, which we only had 2 hours of practice because all the guys that were getting back from football, that was their first day back, so we should have been able to beat that team. But basketball season's pretty fun. So far we had practice this morning. Saturday morning practice, it was fun. Let's see if I can pull a little circle wheelie here, guys. That's better. I'm just gonna see if I can get one going. Good wheelie practice in now. Anyways though, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll try to get some 250 footage pretty soon. Definitely over the Christmas break. Thanks again, Country Boy 4x4, I believe is the name, for the shout out on your Instagram. And thanks for making the intro. I'm sorry I forgot your Instagram name, but thank you for the intro. So yeah, go follow my Instagram, and we will cue that outro that was made for me. So yeah, guys, peace.